Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We have a lot of interesting news, a lot of things going on in the market before summer comes up. Tomorrow and Thursday, Friday, the Alpha Wolf Summit event is coming up, which is a tech startup event put on by Mike Chaffee and his team at Wolf Summit. So we'll be there. If there's anyone looking to do anything with or get involved with prop tech, things like that, or synergies for property, let me know. I'll be there and always happy to meet. We've already got several meetings set up, so it'll be good to see everybody there here in Warsaw at the CIC. Also next week, like I mentioned yesterday, we'll be in Ljubljana filming the Coffee with Craig show and checking out the new project that's being launched on Monday. E-Monica project by OTP. So that'll be something interesting. If you're in Ljubljana, you have a project there, or in Slovenia, please let me know. We definitely like to get together and talk with as many people as we can while we're there. I've got Monday, a lot of Tuesday available as well, and a bit of Wednesday, so before flying back. So let us know on that, and also stay tuned. We've got a lot of interesting interviews set up as well with and a lot is happening in Slovenia as well. So, and I think probably only here in local news is where you can catch stuff like that. So, having said that, we'll come right back. We got a 20-second break where you'll see a little bit about our upcoming event, the CRE Awards in Budapest, October 20th. And then we'll be right back with Winston Norman and the news from the EuropaProperty.com website. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back and welcome to our news section of this show. Winston Norman, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and let us know, how are you doing today?
I'm very well, thanks, Craig. How are you?
Great. And very excited to hear about the highlights of what's on the EuropaProperty.com website today.
Glad to hear it, Craig. Okay, so from the website today, we'll start in Poland and in Warsaw, and Jaroslaw has got a new tenant for its Lixa project in Warsaw, which is their flagship project. Cellnex Poland, which is a leading operator of wireless telecommunications and broadcasting infrastructure, and they'll take around 4,500 square meters in this campus-style building, which Jaroslaw are building there. And when this building's completely developed, it's a campus-style, so it'll be, I think, 5 buildings in total. I think they've delivered 3 already. It'll be 77,000 square meters in total. And so Cellnex have taken all of the second floor and part of the ground floor, and they're planning to move into the building in August. And this transaction was brokered by Cushman & Wakefield.
Right. Well, for no one leasing office space, there's sure a lot of office leases being announced.
Yeah, there are, definitely. And it seems to bode well for the market that there are tenants out there taking up big requirements.
Big space, yeah.
So they're keeping everyone happy. Staying in the Warsaw office market, and Ghelamco have announced that the Warsaw UNIT, their recently developed skyscraper there on Rondo Jadenskiego. That's one of the safest buildings in the world. It's been awarded a well health and safety rating certificate, and it's their second building after the Warsaw HUB. To get this accreditation, and some of the things they put into this building to make it safe, health and safety, one of the world's best. is they've got UV lamps in the lifts, and the building's air conditioning is disinfected. They ensure maximum sterility, and the building has got a so-called pandemic mode.
Wow.
Which the air conditioning will only run on fresh air, and the water quality in the building is regularly tested by laboratory tests, and there are numerous filters and sensors throughout the building which monitor the air quality, ensuring that the Warsaw unit remains smog-free. So yeah, very safe environment for you to work in and visit, Craig.
Yeah, maybe someone will invite me. Exactly.
Test it out.
Well, you know, it's good to, I mean, not surprising that Ghelamco and the team are cutting edge, things like that, you know?
Yeah, well, you know, they're the pure developer that sells on to investors, and the investors and tenants today need all these health and safety requirements.
Sure, I'm sure the tenants also like it that...
Yeah, it's a big requirement today. You know, people going back to the
safe
offices
and
after the
everything.
pandemic, then if you can offer a safe environment, you know, COVID-free, then I'm sure that helps to get tenants. Staying in the Polish office market, and Warren-Pex, developer investor Warren-Pex, has announced that Savills will be being instructed on their new building in Białystok, which they're going to break ground on this year. Białystok is not a common office market as such, but I think a lot of developers are going there because it's an untapped market. And this new project will offer around 36,000 square meters. It's going to be called MC55, and it's going to be their flagship development in Białystok, and it will be BREEAM accredited, like all modern buildings today. And finally for today, Revitas has announced a new strategic partnership with Daniel Moldenhire, who will join the team as a senior advisor, and he will bring strategic financial knowledge to the group and work closely with the senior management and investor relations team.
Wow, great. Yeah, well, I mean, Revitas, we saw they won one of the awards at the CEE Awards, and we're up for many of the, you know, top asset management positions as well. So great to see that they're
they've got
so
a
well.
portfolio throughout the region, and they need investor relations for sure.
Keep growing. Good. So Winston, thank you for that. Anything else on the news for today? That's it. Yeah. All right. Excellent. Well, thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show, and we will see you tomorrow morning. And also, I think we have Mark Toomey coming in tomorrow from Tara Consulting. So a bit more on the HR. Maybe you took his big news there. Who knows? We'll see. Yeah.
No, I saved all the good ones for Mark.
Yeah. Okay. So anyway, we'll see Mark. We'll see you tomorrow with the news, and then also a special edition with Mark Toomey, our guy on the HR guy for the region. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the day, and thank you for watching. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.